Hello guys, welcome to my new video. I'm very happy to have you here. As I explained in my previous video, I taught you guys how to create a pop-up form on Klaviyo here, and how you will live it in order for it to show on your buyer store or your store. Good. So today I'm going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo flow successfully to engage all your leads and leads in order to convert them to continuous buyers. So before I get started, I need your favor, like 5 seconds. Kindly click the like button, click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and comment in the comment section. Tell me about the video, what do you think about the video, and what do you want me to add more in my next video. Good. So now I'm on my Klaviyo dashboard. As you can see, grow your audience. You integrated your Shopify store. So if I want to send SMS, this SMS is going to be the last aspect I will explain in this video. So right now, as you can see, campaign, then you click on flows. So this is divided into so many categories in order to engage your audience. It have different durations. That is the best option for you to use for yourself and all your buyers, because all their audience will be engaged consistently. So the first thing I'm going to talk about, as you can see, I already like a flow here. Thank you message. When a person places an order on my store, the person is going to get this thank you message. So right now I want to create a flow on welcome series, which I'm going to click on get started here. Welcome series, click on get started. Choose this. Okay, SMS news subscribers. Yeah. Click on continue. Still loading, guys. 2 seconds more. Okay, good. So guys, this is how it's going to appear on your screen as well. So the first thing here, trigger. When someone subscribes to your SMS subscribes, the first thing they're going to get is thanks for signing up. You see here, guys, thanks for signing up is going to be the best first thing they'll get. So if you want to edit it, this is the option of editing this. You click on edit. Once you click on edit, you'll be able to edit the content above. Okay. Loading that. A few seconds more. Okay, so thanks for signing up. This is it. Thanks for signing up. I want to edit it now. Thanks for signing up. Guys, I edited the content in that welcome series to thanks for subscribing. So after I type the content to thanks for subscribing, I click on done, and it automatically returns me back to the welcome series flow. So after you send the message thanks for subscribing to the audience, this is going to wait for 3 days. So after 3 days, they'll get a mail in their Gmail, so-called follow us on social media to get more updates. So I'm going to click on this now. Once I click on this button of this flow, once you click on it, wait for a while and you'll be able to edit here. You can see, click on the edit bar, then edit it. Right now I want to change it to follow us on social media for more updates. So use some catchy words that will actually let the audience do exactly what you want them to do, like a call to action. You understand? Good. So guys, in the second flow, after waiting for 3 days, what I change it to now is the subject line. I change it to follow us now on social media for more updates about our new products. So that's very good. So after doing that, you have to check how it's going to appear on mobile. As you can see, this is how it's going to appear on mobile, and this is how it's going to appear on desktop. Thereafter, you click on this done button. As you can see, click on done, then it will turn you back to the flow on the previous page you are. Can you keep watching, guys? You will learn more things in this video while it is loading. Very good. So now we are back to our flow. As you can see, follow us on social media for more updates about our new products. As you can see here, about our new products. So for example, this wait for 3 days. I don't want to wait for 3 days, so I'm going to change it to this flow should wait for just two days. So after clicking on 2 days, I'll preview and turn on. So after I preview and turn on, I need to scroll down to see every other thing again. So this one I change it to 2 days, then this one wait for 4 days, then check out our best sellers. So thereafter, this is the last flow in this welcome series flow. So the last thing is check out our best selling products. Okay, yes, that will be okay. I'm going to use that. Now I want to edit that content. Check out our best selling product. So yeah, good. So check out our best selling products. So guys, you have to make this subject line eye-catchy and make it feel as if you're talking to the audience like face to face. So I wrote check out our best selling product with an emoji of a smile. You understand? So how I did the emoji stuff is you click on this add emoji button. Once you click on it, you'll be able to access so many emojis here. As you can see, it's very fast and easy. You just click on any emoji you want. For example, I want to click on thumbs up, so it's added immediately. So after that, you preview here how it's going to show on the mobile, which is very okay, as what I'm seeing here is very okay. Then you preview the desktop again to confirm everything is right. So this create A/B test. You're going to create these two contents and see which of the contents get more audience, responding to it. So this I will explain in my next video, how to create A/B testing on Klaviyo. That will be what my next video entails about. So stay tuned for my next video also. So now I'm going to click on done here. So it will return me back to the page I was before. So thereafter, I'm going to publish this welcome series flow now, because I already arranged everything the way I want it to be done. The first stage, after sending thanks for subscribing, as you can see, after sending thanks for subscribing, I'll wait for 2 days. I want to wait for 2 days before I send the follow us on social media for more updates about our new product. Thereafter, I'll wait for 4 days, check out our best selling product with a smile and thumbs up. So kindly like this video once again for you to share viral to more audience. Thank you. So now I'm going to preview and turn on. Once you click on preview and turn on, this flow will automatically be live. If anybody click on the subscribe button in your store, the person will get this first thank for subscribing message immediately in their mail. So click on preview and turn on. So as you can see, active status. Don't make any mistake here, guys. This is manual live. So I'm going to click on live and turn on. Once you turn on immediately, it's going to say congratulations, it's going to be all configured action in your flow is live. So good. Now update action status. I'm going to click on live also again, then update status. So everything is live right now. Good. So now I'll go back to my dashboard of Klaviyo to show you the other flows and set them up in this video. So I just want to be fast. So I'm just click on Klaviyo again, this button here, click on it, take it down to the dashboard. So now there's other flows here. The flows that I created just now that is active, you will see it here right now. As you can see, guys, as you can see, welcome to is currently live. As you can see, the live back is on, which means if anybody is subscribed to my store, they will get this flow immediately. So for example, the next thing I want to talk about now is abundant cart. So many audience add to carts in your website, but they later don't buy. So this abundant cart will trigger the audience back to come back and purchase and turn them to continuous buyers. So this will also be good if you add it in your flow also. So I'm going to click on get started. Please keep watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Okay, good. So when someone check out started, wait for 4 hours. For example, right now I'm going to wait for just 2 hours because some people get busy as time goes on. So I'm going to wait for 2 hours. It looks like you left something behind. When a buyer has to cart, when the buyer see this in their mail, they will automatically check it immediately because they will be like, oh, I left something behind. Then once they click on it, your cart is about to expire. This expire word in this content is going to trigger the audience like, oh, okay, which means if I don't buy it now, I can't buy it again. So they will like go straight and check out and buy that product immediately. Do you understand? Mostly this abundant cart flow works at least 99.9% on the audience you get on your store. So far you are getting more traffic every day. This will keep working. Definitely tested and trusted. Try this out, guys. It's really working. So good. So once I click on, I'm going to click on save here. Once I added 2 hours, then I'll click on save. So there's other things here. If you want to send SMS, email, and some other things, notifications. For example, I want to add notification now. I'm going to drag this notification bar down here. So do you see? If you want to create the flow as many as you want, you can create it by picking another flow here and adding it to the current flow. It will keep following each other gradually to keep the audience engaged. So now, sender's email, I'm going to click on my email here, enter email. Okay, I'm using a different user actually. Today I switched to a new user, so that's why you see a different email. Don't feel skeptical about that. So now I'm going to click on save. Okay, notification message. Your order is about to expire. Your cart is about to expire. Now in this notification message, I'm going to put 1 hour remaining for your cart to expire. You know the cart is about to expire earlier, so you just give them like a call to action. 1 hour remaining. So if they don't check out that cart right now, they can't order that product again. Do you understand? All these things, this might seem intense and it's really working. Do you understand, guys? It's really working. So I will add the content now and save and publish this flow right now. This abundant flow, I will publish it now. So guys, in the notification bar, the last thing I want my audience to see that I'm very sure it will trigger them to like go immediately to my store is 1 hour remaining for the product you add to cart to expire, and add an exclamation mark there for them to know that it needs instant attention. So guys, I'm going to click on save, then preview and